Assalamualaikum. I am Sayyida Meerab Imran, sitting here as a writer, director, and producer of my film opening scene, Ray of Hope. And I am making this video to address some questions like how does my product represent social group or issues. So my media product Ray of Hope represent all social marginalized group and all age group by exploring the universal theme of drug abuse, recovery, and laws, each from different perspective. The representation vary across different generations, ensuring that the narrative remain inclusive and relatable. For teenagers and young adults, like from age 15 to 25, the product reflects the struggle of peer pressure, social anxiety, mental health, self-identity, which often include substance abuse. The use of cinematic storytelling, symbolism, and visually driven narrative engage with younger audience because they consume media primarily through digital platform and interactive platform. For adults and parents like 30 to 50, the representation should shift towards the emotional toll on families, showcasing that the addiction affects not only the individual, but it's also it's also reflects and affects not only the individual but also their loved one. This perspective resonates with those who have witnessed or emphasized addiction with their families, emphasizing grief, helplessness, and emotional trauma, and those who come with it. Meanwhile, the for older adults, the elderly, like 50 to 70 plus, the product addresses theme of reflection, social change, and the long-term consequences of addiction by incorporating their real life experiences, historical context, and emotional storytelling. The project engaged with older generation that has seen the evaluation of drug abuse over the time, and it's changing social perception. Through these different aspects, youth and peer struggle, family impact, historical change, my product ensures that every generation finds a connection to its message, making it universally relevant beyond generational representation. Ray of Hope sheds light on critical social issues, particularly the struggle of individual affected by drug abuse, loss, and emotional trauma. The project focuses on victims of addiction, grieving families, and those battling the aftermath of substance abuse, portraying their experiences through visual telling, media analysis, and personal narrative. One of the primary social issues that is addressed is drug addiction, which is often stigmatized rather than understood. By exploring how substance abuse impacts individuals and their loved ones, the product challenges stereotypes and emphasize the psychological, social, and emotional toll of addiction. It highlights how addiction is not just a personal failure but a systematic issue influenced by mental health struggles, social pressure, and a lack of support. Additionally, Ray of Hope represent the grieving process faced by families who have lost their loved ones, ones to direct related causes. This aspect is particularly important because grief and loss are often overlooked in discussion about addiction. The website provide a platform for those who suffer in silence, aiming foster empathy and understanding. Through media analysis of music, video, film, and creative storytelling, the product also examines how popular culture reflects and reinforces perception of addiction and intersexual references. It encourages audience to think critically about how media shape our views on drug abuse and recovery. Ultimately, my media products serve as both educational and emotional platform, representing the hidden struggle of addiction, victim, and families. It promotes awareness, empathy, and hope, reinforcing that the idea that while addiction and loss bring immense loss, we can heal, and the healing process is still possible. Thank you.